Hey guys, so things are about to get very real. Things are going to get really bad. A lot of us are going to go hungry. A lot of us aren't going to make it. Not me though. I'm going to go forever. So what I did to simulate the experience post-apocalypse from all of the economic fallout of the ceiling debt not being raised because sociopaths run the world, I'm going to show all of you how to cook a delicious meal outside. So as you can see here, I got this rubbish from Walmart because I truly believe that when we all don't make it, Walmart will survive. So let's get started. So what I'm going to be making today is I'm going to be making like apple juice, like a, well, here, let's just start with the good stuff. So we got like halal like chicken dogs. So that's good. We're gonna use this as like a base. I don't even know what a base is. Like I don't cook. So what I picked up was I picked up this like little stove thing, and it's not really a stove. It really is. It's litter. Honestly, it should not exist, but it does. It shouldn't exist because it really is just a hot pile of garbage. But it does fold, and normally my stoves don't fold. Fuck. We put like what basically acts as like kind of like a candle sort of deal. So it cooks. Okay, maybe upside down it's better. Fuck. This isn't funny. This is serious. It's just so I don't think I'm supposed to torque it. So in truth, I'm probably going to break this. But that's okay because life is a learning experience. And if you can't learn, then you're going to die anyways. So like, who cares? I anticipate that when I die, my body won't go through the stage of necrosis. Instead, it will preserve itself perfectly until time itself ceases to continue. All right. So that's one. So this is just landfill fuel. Like this only exists because as a. All right, so let's do it now. That was practice. I don't read instructions. Okay, so there's a wick here. As you can see, it kind of looks like a cocoon of like where like a butterfly would like one day come out of, but instead of a butterfly, it's just gonna be like nauseous fumes that if you inhale, you won't make it, and we're gonna make it, so we're not gonna inhale it. But that's okay. So I figure that because that folding piece of shit doesn't want to maintain any sort of structure, that this could be enough to give it enough structure so it doesn't just like kind of fold like all together. So like let's find out. Okay. So as you can see, excellent. Now, because we are in fact bachelors on a budget, I didn't want to get a layer because that would be not as cost effective as simply getting a flimsy box of matches that will probably go out as soon as I turn it on. So let's see.
Learn to light a fucking fire already?
Are you actually roasting me? It's fucking windy here, dude. Fuck you.
Your stupid fucking videos about cooking shit for no reason, and you still can't get it.
It's not even my fault. Burnt matches are anyways like a good source of fuel, so it'll keep the fire going longer. Okay, so I guess it's not just gonna explode into like a ball of flame, so I probably should just stop being so much of a little softy about it, you know? Show off my manhood. Come on, dude. it just needs a little bit of help. Just needs a little bit of help. It's no problem. This is fine. This is fine. Don't do this at home. Do this in the survival when your survival is unlikely. Do this only in emergencies. Don't do this at all, please. Just there's better people than me. I don't know what I'm doing. Like every day I wake up and I just wing life and I just go at her every day. But you know what? If you're an organized person than me, please, please be a better person than me. Anyways, let's throw another match into this. Yeah. It's okay. I have four matches left. Okay, so I gotta start up. I gotta start up a little bit higher. I mean, a little bit lower. Like these matches are. How is this shit not catching? Okay, maybe what I need to do is I need to do like 2 at a time. Oh. Matches do work. I promise they work. I swear on my life they work. When life is being one tough titty, you gotta find answers and solutions to it. So even if you have to use a lighter that you dig out from your old bag, if you run out of matches to use, you can use the container that the matches came in, and you can set that on fire and use that as a match, because this is more likely to. So this is dangerous and like probably like horrible for the environment, but hey. Is this water in here? It's literally evaporating the fluid. Just record it. Fuck you, dude. Just fucking record it.
Recording.
This is fine. Damn. Perfect. So now that we have the most important and vital part of this whole thing done, we can get going on the rest of the cooking that we have to do. So, it's not, don't mind me, just, okay. Because I'm so smart, I bought like Tupperware, so we can just, okay. So now we have it, propped up and balanced, so like we'll get some like even cooking going. So here, we'll just. Is it still going? Yep, still going. Okay. So the build's going good. If there aren't any problems here, this is all what we expected to happen. Let's see, is this even getting warm? Oh yeah, see, this also doubles effectively as a means to keep warm. Because at this point you're going to lose about all of your toes because it's going to take you like 45 minutes to set this whole thing up. So yeah, we're good. So we can see that it's going good. Oh, you hear that sizzle? That's what Yes. Okay, perfect. Ironically enough, I don't have a knife to open my knife. You know, it's really not a cooking with Bryan until I struggle to open something. All right. So now with that, we have all of the tools we need. Sorry, I just got to make sure that this is still going. Fuck. No! It's okay, we saved it. This is going well. This is good. This is fine. That's a lethal weapon. That's a good weapon. Also, in case you want to like eat 2 hot dogs at a time, you can have it kind of be like a pogo stick on this, and then you can. No, this is exactly what we're looking for. Yep, that'll do. We might have to light it again, but that's okay.
What the fuck do you mean? Come on.
Please tell me you're recording this.
I am right
Okay,
now.
good.
It doesn't matter, dude. You're literally... Oh my god, I don't want to...
It's okay. You're stressing me out.
I'm stressing. Oh, I'm so sorry, Bryan. I didn't mean to stress you out while we're fucking cooking with charcoal light.
See, look, it ended up being a good thing. Okay, so I'm an artist. It'd be better if like it fit in the pot. So like it's already cooking. I already feel it. Yeah, that doesn't look like piss at all. That looks like good food. I'm proud of this. I think we're doing a good thing. I think people are going to learn a lot. Considering this is basically just like a super candle, I imagine this is probably going to take about 40 to 3 hours to cook. Maybe actually it'll be better if we light both of these. That way we'll get double the heat. You see how this is like refusing to go? We just need a little bit of... Hey, scary. Perfect. We can just wait for that to cook. I hope you're enjoying this adventure with me. I'm not, because in this hypothetical, the world has ended. That's why I'm not in the kitchen anymore. I don't really... In truth, like, you know, like, this whole process was chaotic, but, you know, we live in a chaotic world, so I don't really see how anything else would be more fitting to this. I hope that you find order in your own way. Maybe you can cook your hot dogs in a smarter way. But at the end of the day, I'm still here. It's starting to sizzle. You hear that, guys? I'm so glad it's sizzling. This is good stuff. This is good. This is really, I'm motivated by this. I really feel good about this. I really think that these apple-infused halal chicken hot dogs is the future, and I think it's smart if we just make this together. So thank you. So I realized that there's probably too much apple juice in there to properly cook, so I had to empty. This is good. Everything's fine. This is good stuff, man. I'm glad the kids get to learn about this. Oh shit, that smells good, doesn't it? That smells great. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's good stuff.
Oh yeah, it smells good.
Yeah, it smells like a tar fire. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting a little impatient with it, so yeah. Well, look how fast it's cooking now. I have no problems with this. I'm just going through some stuff. Yes, yes. Just a little dash of pumpkin. Feed! Oh, yeah. Yes. 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 Feed. 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 Yeah, it's cooking pretty nice now. I put in a little dash of alley pumpkin to really bring out the halal chicken apple in it. I would say once that fire is done, I think we'll be ready to eat. And don't be concerned that our food is literally on fire. That's not gonna release any carcinogens or, you know, or the gas, because the gas will burn off. The gas will burn off clean. It won't go into the food. So yeah, I think this is a good idea. You gotta get comfortable being alone in the end of the world, considering there's not much of a world left. You make the world, just you. So yeah, this is good stuff. This is good. Okay, well, they don't have to know about that one. Sometimes you gotta suffocate a fire to put it out of its misery. It's kind of like an elderly relative that is suffering. So in this case, I'm gonna use one of the alley pumpkins to suffocate the flame. I don't see any problem with this. I'm sure this will work just fine. Yes, die. Oh, I wonder if I can do push-ups on this. Oh yeah, I'm right over the gasoline. No problem. I'll just scoot it. Okay. This is not gonna go poorly at all. Oh shit, I already feel it caving. All right, it's okay. I was gonna flex and do a one-handed push-up because I really want to show you who's really gonna stick around at the end of the apocalypse. We can just ignore the fact that I'm diabetic and I probably won't last 2 weeks. My name's Bryan Noriega. This is my chicken hot dog halal with pumpkin. Oh. So a recommendation I would make is to not put gasoline in your food. I assume the aftertaste is fine. I would have loved to eat that had it not been dangerous for my health. So yeah, my name's Bryan. This is my halal chicken pumpkin. Thanks for watching.